Guys, welcome to Kelvin T Tech. So are you a graphic designer or someone who wants to learn graphics? Then come closer, because on today's episode I'm going to teach how to get access to customized templates and then you use it to do your projects. So stay tuned and enjoy. Okay guys, so to begin with, you need to open a web browser and then you search for postermywall.com. Good. So when it comes, you click on the first link that appears. Great. So you can see that the website is open. So you just click on create a design, and then you can see we have about 1,000 plus PSD templates that you can edit. So you just search if you have the idea. Maybe you want to design a flyer for someone, or for a church that is doing a fasting service. You just come and then you search for fasting and prayers, or let's say fasting, and then you search. Good. So you can see that we have over 7,810 plus customizable design template for fasting. So you just choose it. And then you can see it's a premium design too. So you just click on edit design. This is how it looks like. So let's say you want to change the name of the church to the Church of Methodist. So you just change it to Methodist. And then let's say you want to change the location. You just tap on it, you double click, and then you just type it to change it. And the time, let's say the time is around 10 p.m. Just double click it and then you enter 10 p.m. As simple as that. And then if you want to add photos, element, text, media, it can be a video, it can be a sound, you want to add it, you just click on it and then you add it. All right, and it has given you an alternative to choose a stock photo. So with a stock photo, you tap on it and then it gives you a free photo, a free HD photo that you can choose to insert in your design. All right, so I think Poster My Wall is the best tool, the best website you need if you're a graphic designer. It reduces your work, it reduces your time, and it makes graphic designing so easy and efficient. So stay tuned if you want to learn more about graphics. Okay, subscribe to Kelvin T Tech.